Want to help someone release tension in the hamstrings? In this video, I'll show you a simple massage you can do at home, perfect for easing thigh muscle after a long day. Hi, I'm Tippy. Thigh hamstring can cause discomfort, but with a few simple technique, you can help someone feel more relaxed and comfortable. Let's get started. Step 1. Warm up your hand and muscles. Position yourself standing on the side. You'll be able to reach from knee to hip. Use your palm, apply light pressure to spread up the oil and warm up hamstring muscle. Repeat 6 to 8 times, covering the entire hamstring. Step 2. Long strokes. Using half back of your hands to apply long strokes from the back of the knee to the glutes. Focus on smooth and steady, guiding upward, slow, and follow with alternate hand. This helps improve circulation, loosening up muscle fibers. Each stroke should last 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat 6 to 8 times per leg. If you like to go deeper, resting the leg on your shoulder while massaging the hamstring is an effective position. Locking both thumbs with the straight arm, slowly guiding up. Elevating the leg slightly helps improving blood flow to the hamstring. And it's easier for you. Step 3. Kneading. Using both hands on the back of the thigh, pulling the muscle to you with one hand while pushing it away from the other. Knead the hamstring with the pull and push motion. This cross fiber technique is excellent for releasing tightness and promoting flexibility. Step 4. Trigger point release. Press and hold at the upper hamstring near the hip or the thigh area with the palm or elbow while gently move the leg. Slowly move the leg up and down or side to side to stretch the muscle under pressure. Hold each point for 20 or 30 seconds. This can be intense. Keep your focus on breathing to help release tension. Optional tip. To enhance the benefits, consider using cupping to help separate muscle fibers and reduce soreness. Create suction by squeezing the cup and place the cup on the muscle. For soreness, leave the cup parked there up until 3 to 5 minutes. For separating fibers, create a suction. Lift the cup up first before gliding the cup. If the cup not moving, keep the cup there for a little longer. And that a simple hamstring massage anyone can do at home. If you enjoyed this, watch my next video for more massage technique. See you there.